What is up, everybody? Welcome to Matayo's Fishing Adventures. So down here in southern Kentucky, for going on about the past week now, we have had rain almost every single day. It's been, if it wasn't raining and the river was clear, well, I was scheduled to work my 12s. And when you get home at 6, there just ain't a lot of time to go fish when it's dark by 7 or 8. And plus, you just be tired sometimes. So every day off, the rivers have been flooded down here, so we've got new lures to try, new gear to bust out, new reels to show you guys, new goodies to bust out, all kinds of stuff planned coming up, but we just need some clear weather for it not to be raining. Like, it literally just got through raining about 5-10 minutes ago here. My lawn needs mowing. But we got all kinds of stuff coming up, so in the meantime, I went ahead and put together this little video for you guys of some fish that I caught about 2 or 3 weeks ago, leading up to this day, which I think the most recent fish catch in this video was about a week or 2 ago. So stay tuned, stay in touch. A lot of cool things to come up, a lot of new lures and baits, a lot of little tests coming up on certain baits. Even somebody was asking in the comments, when you're going to see it. I promise you it's coming soon. Got some massive swim baits to go throw on the river and see how this goes. Went fishing when it was flooded, but it was just absolutely miserable, I'm not gonna lie. I got ransacked by mosquitoes, flies, gnats. Boy, them gnats. And it was just really humid and everything was wet, and the fish weren't biting because the river was up about 6 feet and fast flowing. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope y'all are doing well, and thank you so much for watching.
Watch and follow it.
Oh my god, is this a big one or what? Oh, it's a nice one. Yeah. Let's go! Oh, he's nice. Oh, he's real nice. Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Oh, we're in the trees. Yes, dude. Yes, look at that bass, man. On the boss shad again. He choked that thing. Let's freaking go, dude. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yes. Yeah, guys, we did it. Caught another beautiful smallmouth. Let's get a weight on this guy. See how much this one weighs. I'm gonna say it's probably around a 2-pounder. This is a big old smallmouth. Let's see. Are you 2 pounds, you fat Sally? Ooh, so close to it, it's not even funny. Let's try it again. 1 pound, 13 ounces. So we are 2 ounces away from a 2-pounder, 3 ounces away from a 2-pounder. Yeah, dude. Guys, we did it. A nice smallmouth. Today's objective was catch a fish. Well, we caught one, by God. The river's finally getting back down to a normal level. Yeah. Swim free, Sally. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we did it. Smallmouth number 2 of the day. He's a toothy old smallmouth. Pretty colors on him. Beautiful little river critter. Yes, he is. She is. It's absolutely peed all over me. I mean, just plumb disrespectful. Oh, guess I didn't appreciate being caught. The lip on that bass. Alright, little buddy. Yeah, nothing like a good old Kentucky River smallmouth. Coming to Kentucky, they said. Where gnats will literally fly into your eyes. You see this crap? There's a whole swarm right here by the phone. Oh, these gnats are driving me crazy. Got one. Oh, dang. Oh, that's a nice one. Yes, look at him. Oh, come on, baby. Pink flip. Yeah. On the Worcester tail. Yeah, look at that smallmouth. Ooh. Yes, dude. Nice little river smiley. God bless. Look at that belly. Nice little chunky river bass down here in the red. Making sure I'm not getting brutally peed on. Look at that guy. The beautiful orange eyes. I absolutely love it, man. This is especially for all my people who don't get to catch smallmouth in your area. Yes, man. Nice little smallmouth. Let's see what. I'm going to say it's probably about 1.5 pounds. He put up a nice fight. He was swimming upriver. So whenever he started fighting, he didn't feel that big at all. I was like, oh, I got a little rock bass or something. Boy, once he seen me or something, he cut out. Zero it out. 1 pound, 4 ounces. Almost 1.5 pounds. The teeth on this little guy, man. Look at him. I don't know if y'all can see it, but he is a toothy smallmouth bass. Toothy. Pretty little fish. Oh, there's a gnat on his eye. Yeah. Beautiful river smiley, man. Let's go. Hey guys, we caught a beautiful smallmouth. Ooh, about to fall. Let's see if we can get the light on him. Look at that guy. Got some kayakers coming in behind us. Big old bass on it. Big old belly on the bass. Look at that guy. Yes. Look at him. Swim free, Charlie. Yes. Let's go. Alright. Got one. On the crankbait. Looks like a rock bass. He gave up. He's dead noodle. Got a nice little rock bass off of the crankbait. I don't know, the fish ain't that active today, but I mean, hey, we caught a rock bass. Let's go. Well, that's one wild looking fish. Sorry. There he is. Nice. A big old rock bass. Nice. That's a big rock bass, man. Ow! Yeah, on the bluegill storm little swim bait. That's a chunky rock bass, man. Look at him. Yeah. Big old mouth on the rock bass. Purty red eyes. Look at him. Yeah. Rock bass. Rock bass. Fish bump. Yeah. Guys, got a tubby little rock bass. I don't know if we can get down here without falling or not. Yeah, I think we can. We're good. Yeah. Look at this rock bass. Ow, ow. Nice. He's under the log. Yeah. Nice little smallmouth. Let's go. It's on the rooster tail. Ooh, that's dangerous right there. He is not happy. It'll be smallmouth. Yeah, on the rooster tail. Down here fishing the river in Kentucky. Yeah, let's go. Got one. Yeah. Nice smallie right before the sun sets. Yeah. Nice little smallmouth down here on the river, right for the sun sets and the beautiful colored water in Kentucky. Let's go. Nice little smallie. This is the closest I can get. And I am so sorry, little guy. Oh. Yeet. Let's go. Yeah. Rock bass on the crankbait. One more for the sunsets. Let's go. Yeet. Come here, little guy. Come here. Oh my God. Aggressive little rock bass. Let's go. Look at the colors on him though. Yeet. Go. So we get one more for the sunset. Yeah. Sweet. And the smallie. Right before the sun sets. Let's go, dude. Oh, okay. Yes, dude. Let's go. Can we catch one more? Yeet. Oh, bigger. One more cast. And we're out of here. Straight into a tree. It's getting dark, guys. Maybe one more. Then one more. Of course, this one hit the tree too. Yep, that's it. This is getting dark. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It's getting dark on us. Phone's about to die, so we're going to end it right here. Welcome to Matayo's Fishing Adventures, another adventure on the Kentucky River. Catch you on the next one. Oh, great.